The 1Search Plus feature in ProDemand takes repair information to a whole new level of intelligence and efficiency. The results are delivered in an easy-to-use graphical layout, organized in the same flow that auto technicians use when approaching a diagnosis and repair. Let's take a look.
Here's the new 1Search Plus screen. I have my vehicle already queued up. I have my search term in place, and I've landed on the search results for this P0356. 1Search Plus makes it easy to use. You can see that it returns results based on a card format, which I like to think of much like my smartphone and the different apps that I have for my smartphone. Each card represents a discrete data set of information for the user. So for instance, technical bulletins are returned, and those are specific to that P0356. 1Search Plus is also smart enough that it only returns information that's relevant. So if there are no technical bulletins for this code, it's not going to return any information, and that card will not be shown. The other thing that 1Search Plus does is makes it really efficient for technicians because we have arranged the cards in their workflow format. First thing you would check would be technical bulletins. Then you can go into your diagnostic strategy, looking at things like real fixes, top repairs, causes and fixes. Just to click on the real fixes card. First one up there, replaced ignition coil. You can see this one has occurred over 1,000 times that we've had aftermarket information on it. And it's given in complaint cause correction, so that's a silver bullet a technician can use to help them diagnose the issue. We also have causes and fixes, another great real-world diagnostic card, where especially if you have multiple codes, you can see how related components can be filtered down based on the code set that you have. As I scroll down, you can also get into your OEM testing procedures. Then once you actually start testing, you would have guided component tests, connector end views, component locations. Then I get towards the end of the list here, and I have my removal replace. So I've determined that there is a faulty component and I want to remove and replace it, as well as things like after repair information to do clearing codes and calibration procedures. 1Search Plus is also innovative in that it combines your OEM information with your real-world information, and you can notice a little icon down here in the lower right of each card that will tell you whether that card set is coming from the OEM license data or from our SureTrack real-world information that we build from aftermarket information that we have and we data mine. So in summary, 1Search Plus is easy to use with a new card format. It's very efficient. It's based on the workflow that a technician would use. And then also it's innovative in that it is combining that real world and OEM information seamlessly.